Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm again here with you with the new exciting episode. And today I'll walk you through how to register for the Google and Kaggle 5-day AI Agents intensive course. This is an incredible free learning opportunity to explore the future of AI agents. If you haven't joined yet, don't worry. It's just started and you can still catch up easily. First, open your browser and go to kaggle.com/learn guide/5-day agents. You will land on the official course page and this is hosted by Kaggle. Here you will find a quick overview of what the program is about, including what you will learn each day, who it's for, and links to live sessions and resources. Next, click on the Join the Challenge or Register Now button. If you don't have a Kaggle account yet, it will ask you to sign up using your Google account, and it only takes a minute. Once you are signed in, you will see your registration confirmed, and Kaggle will unlock access to all the course materials, daily lessons, and discussion forums. After registering, you will get access to day one content right away. Before that, you might get the pre-read material to be prepared for the code labs and the Jupyter notebook. So make sure you access those materials also. You can read, watch, and complete the hands-on exercises directly on Kaggle. New lessons are released each day from November 10th to 14th. So try to follow along daily if you can. But don't worry, everything stays available even after the event ends. I also recommend joining the Kaggle discussion forum linked at the bottom of the page. It's a great place to connect with other learners, share ideas, and get help if you get stuck. And of course, to make things even easier, I've prepared helping videos on each module here on my channel. So if you want to follow along step by step, from understanding agents, tool use, and memory to deployment, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated as I release new tutorials daily during this challenge. That's it. You are now registered for one of the most exciting AI learning events of the year. Start today, stay consistent, and by the end of this week, you will have built your very own AI agent projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment if you have successfully registered or need any help. See you in the next video. Bye bye.